Hello, Roadrunners. Today, we're going to learn how to check if you're registered for your courses and also how to access your registration statement. Firstly, we're going to go to Self-Service. Once in, we're going to click on My Academics. Then we'll go to the desired semester and we'll scroll down. You will see if you're registered by it saying registered in green font as presented. If you're not registered, it'll look something like this. Now we're going to find our registration statement. Firstly, we'll go back to the home page and then click on the Registration Statement tab. Then we'll click on the Crafton Hills statement. This will bring up a PDF that has all sorts of information, including the classes you're registered for and the fees. If you have any questions or would like more in-depth assistance, you can reach out to the completion coaches at the University Career and Transfer Center or give us a call at 909-389-3399. Additionally, you can scan any of the following QR codes for the following information.